Hi guys, it's Hannah. I'm back. If you don't follow me on Instagram or any other socials for that matter, you probably are seeing me with bangs for the first time. Surprise! I cut my bangs myself and I actually did record it. So I put that video on my Instagram story. If you don't follow me on Instagram, by the way, you should follow me there. It's right here. So it's been a while and I've been down, honestly, I'm not gonna lie. I mean, it's not hard to see that. I think if you've been following me for a while, if I kind of like isolate myself and don't really post, it's probably because I'm going through something like in my personal life that I don't feel comfortable explaining or really even presenting myself in the most genuine way on the internet. I don't know, it just makes my job a lot harder when I'm struggling with things that are a lot bigger than, you know, the things I discuss on my channel and stuff, you know. I don't know, it just doesn't feel right, so I kind of turn away from that whenever I go through things, but things are better. Things are a lot better, and I am finding things to be more clear these days, and I know what direction I need to head in now, so I'm back, baby, I'm back. But, you know, I wanted to post this video just to, you know, catch up. I have a lot of things I want to talk about today that have been, you know, my favorite things, things that have been making my life easier or more fun, you know, things that have been helping my skin and things I've been wearing. It's like a catch-up slash favorites video, I don't know. But I'm back and I'm excited because I don't know, it makes me sad that I haven't been posting. It really, really does. I do really feel guilty when I don't post. But anyways, I'm gonna get out of that weird headspace now and I'm ready to jump into this game. It is a very, very rainy, gross day today. You know, that good old February bipolar weather, here we go. I feel like I get bipolar when the weather is bipolar. Like, is that with you guys too? But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna show you guys some things. Oh, do you guys like this background too? I got new studio lights, by the way, and they're called Savage. If you are a YouTuber or something and you need like good lighting, I ordered this lighting kit called Savage. It's from Best Buy. It has a pretty good price too. So I mean, look it up. It's pretty cool. I am really happy with it, and now I can sit places that are other than like facing my window for lighting, and you know, I'm digging it because I feel so much more free now, because before I used to just feel like I needed to use just natural lighting, and so I would always just have to sit on my bed facing the window and I would put my camera on my windowsill right there. So, and then you would see the other side of my room, but now it's the other way around, so I don't know, I'm digging it. Anyways, okay, so I got a new light set, the Savage. That's easily going to be one of my favorites. So first of all, I want to talk about some music I've been loving. So the Black Panther soundtrack came out weeks before the movie did, and so me and Abel, loving Kendrick Lamar like we do, we listened to the whole thing. We loved it. There's a couple songs that like we don't really like that much, but like songs such as Big Shot, Seasons is honestly my favorite. I Am is an amazing song. I Am and Seasons are probably the most soulful songs, I think. There's really good songs to work out to, such as Ops or Redemption is really good. If you like Pallid, you would like The Waves. 10 is really good. It's just like X. It's so good. So here's the deal. Since the album came out way before the movie did, me and Abel listened to this album, falling in love with it, and thinking so much and talking so much about what the Black Panther movie was gonna be like with the soundtrack, because like since it was called the soundtrack to the movie, we totally thought that the movie was gonna be a total kick-ass Marvel movie with a bunch of our favorite artists' music, and like this music, we thought this music was gonna be used in the movie, really. So we were really, really hyped to see the movie just because of the soundtrack. I mean, and the trailer, of course, looked awesome. So we went and saw the movie. Just a little bit of Pray For Me and Big Shot, I think. Just a little bit of those songs were used. And like, I don't know, me and Abel are really, we were disappointed. We were disappointed because we had those high expectations of the soundtrack being used so much, but they barely used the soundtrack, and there were so many good parts in the movie where they just put these random beats in it, and it was just beats, it wasn't even like anyone singing or anything. and we were just like, what? Like, they could have totally put this song in there, like this song in there. And I don't know, we were just so disappointed about like the soundtrack part of things. The movie, however, was an amazing movie. Next to Deadpool, I think it is probably the best Marvel movie so far. It was an amazing movie, and Michael B. Jordan did great in it. I loved how you can see where Michael B. Jordan's, because Michael B. Jordan was supposed to be like the bad guy or the antagonist, but in a way it really had you kind of rooting for him. Not more than the good guy, but you could see totally where he was coming from, because he was left behind in Compton and when he was a baby, and they should have took him. I don't know, guys, it's just it's a really good movie. So another one of my favorites is this calendar book, and this is something I actually went to Montana. Whenever I went to visit Abel when he was still going to college in Montana, we went to a bookstore and they had this calendar there, and I was looking at it for so long because I thought it was really cool. Abel noticed, and then later down the line, after he came back, he got this for me for Christmas, and it was really sweet. So this is a moon calendar, and so I don't hold astrology to be something of great value. I do think that it is a really cool aspect, and I think that it's a great way to look at us and to identify with the stars and moons and everything. I think it's awesome, and I do think that there could be some correlation. I don't know, what do we know as humans, right? But you know, it's fun. But the best part about this calendar, guys, is, you know, I love reading and writing and literature and just inspiring shit, you know? So in every page, each day has a little place where you can write, but each page has a week, and then on the other side it has a piece of literature that is somewhat spiritual towards the moon. It's also just a lot about feminism and a lot about just the divine feminine, you know? It's really great for a woman to read. It would make for a great gift for anyone who loves, you know, astrology in general. And so I'm gonna give you guys an example. This is my favorite piece of literature that I have read so far in this book, and I'm gonna read it to you. So it's called Arise, Burning Woman, an exclamation point. This is a call to the powerful woman, the crazy woman, the mad one, the witch, the hag, the creative woman, the dancer, the poet, the artist, the sexual woman, the strident woman, the playful trickster, the wild mother, she who follows her own spirit, she who dares to put herself first, who shouts in the face of authority and follows her own heart. She who dares give voice to what is inside her, who shakes things up and burns them down. She who quakes with rage and rolls with laughter, who moans with pleasure and wants more. She for whom every piece of life needs to have the marrow of its bones sucked. She who stands in the doorway and will not let them in. She who dares. She who does what they say cannot be done, must not be done. She who tries and fails. She who longs to walk topless in the sunshine and dance naked in the moonlight. This is a call for her, and all of us who long to be more like her, wherever on the path we may be. We who have sniffed the smoke as she walked past our door one hot summer afternoon and thought, I long to burn, but I mustn't. I'm too afraid, too old, too young, too busy. I don't know how. I'd lose my job, my husband would divorce me, my mother would disown me, my friends would laugh. Our time has come, after millennia of hiding in the shadows, afraid of the smoke, afraid that our bodies and souls will put on the pyre if we dare to show the glory within us. Our time has come to embody our burning, to step into our magnificence. Burning woman, arise. I don't know, I mean, that really gets me, you know? Because there's so much that a woman has to give, you know? If she really gives it. But yeah, there's stuff like that, and there's just really cool things that you can even read and reread and meditate on it. It'll make you feel really good to be alive and have your chance to create anything you want, or dance to anything you want, or sing anything you want, or argue anything you want. Like, you are your own mystical being, and it's cool, dude. Anyways, so yeah, this is what this calendar, I think Abel ordered it, so you can find it online. It has so much about everything astrology in it. It has little signs for each day. I love it. I've been using it to plan as well, and it's a great way to really combine planning and doing things, what you have to do, and keeping your priorities straight, but also the fun, more enlightening part of life. And so it just makes all of that stronger together. I don't know. It gives you a sense of inspiration, really. But anyways, another thing I've been loving is my new shampoo and conditioner I've been using. And I mean, my hair right now isn't that like clean. It's been raining all day here, so I've been like in and out through the rain. So my hair or makeup probably does not look on point in this video. But this is a shampoo and conditioner I've been using lately, and I have been loving it, honestly. I can really tell that it's been helping my hair grow too. It's like the OGX stuff. It is the one with biotin and collagen inside of it. It's sulfate free as well. And if you're like me and you have kind of fine hair that is straight, I don't know, it's nice to have a good shampoo and conditioner that can like oof things up. And like, I don't know, I like to have a little bit bigger hair if I can. Any day, anytime, I'll have bigger hair. Because my hair doesn't really get that big. And then this is the conditioner, what the conditioner looks like. I mean, if you guys think my hair has been looking healthy and you've been wondering what I've been using, there you go. Then I have been wearing these almost every day since I got them in, and I don't really understand how they're still this white, but I have been wearing some good old Velcro sneakers, guys. I just got the first stain on them the other day, but it's just dirt, so it'll come off easily. But I got some Velcro white Vans. There's a stain on right there, but just pretend you don't see it. Guys, let me tell you something about the Velcro life. It is so nice. I will never go back to freaking laces, okay? Like, it is so nice. Try it out. It's great. It saves so much time, you know? It's just the loudness sometimes. It's, you know, like the part, that's the best part. Best part. I really would recommend going back to Velcro shoes, guys. Let's bring them back. I'm on the Velcro boat. I don't know why we ever went to laces instead of Velcro. I just feel like they keep the shoe more tight around your foot and they really hold it on there better. Whereas laces over time will kind of like stretch and get like worn out and kind of loosen up over time and even get longer. I don't know. You know, it's just not the way to go. Help yourself. Okay, and then the next thing, guys, I don't know if this is something that everyone already knows about, but even if most people know about it and I could just inform one person now that these things exist, I would be happy with that because everyone needs to have this for their beauty blender. It is the beauty blender container, guys. Okay? This shit is revolutionary. So, basically it's just a container. My beauty blender is already in here, and it's the exact shape of my beauty blender. And you can find this at any drugstore, I think. I got this at Walgreens. So what this does is it's not going to make it moldy because it does have the air holes. Like there's an RT on it. I think this is like the brand of it, but there's air holes on it so it doesn't get moldy. And it's a container to keep it from all your other makeup shit because that is going to cause so many skin issues where you just put your beauty blender down in the rest of your makeup where powder and everything will get on it and just like all of the germs and dirt that's around in your makeup. I mean, I don't know if you guys just have like a makeup bag like I do, but that's what I have, and I honestly can see a big difference in my skin and everything, my makeup and everything by storing my beauty blender in this baby. It's super cheap too, so I really recommend getting one of these. Like, it is life-changing, really. Now, my favorite wipes. I have talked about these in one of my vlogs, I think, but it's been a while, so these makeup wipes are so nice, you guys. They are the Rose Cleansing Wipes from Sephora, the Sephora collection. And you can easily pick these up at Sephora, like in the face area where they have all the face treatment and stuff. They smell so good, you guys. They make your skin feel and smell like roses. Like, and it takes off your makeup so gentle. It literally feels like you're putting like rose petals on your face to take your makeup off. And I've had several nights where I just use that and I don't even wash my face after, and my skin looks even better in the morning. Like, it really is awesome. 10 out of 10 recommend. I don't know, best makeup wipes so I've ever used. Then I have this First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Tinted Moisturizer. This is the first tinted moisturizer I've ever used that I really like. It also has SPF 30, so it's very good if you're about to like go out somewhere and you're gonna be in the sunlight or something. All of the ingredients are inactive, it's not gonna break your skin out, and it's allergy tested. There's no animal testing or anything. It has a natural luminous finish. I don't know, I didn't really think that I'd be one for a tinted moisturizer, but like on those days where I want to have that, you know, no makeup look, it really helps to even out my complexion as well as protect my skin from the sun and everything. So I really recommend that if you are into this kind of thing. And then you guys, this was sent to me by Faves randomly, and I've never heard of them before they ended up at my doorstep, but I love this subscription box, you guys. I'm gonna have to sign myself up for it myself, but it comes monthly, I think, and it's been a while since I did receive this, so I'm not sure if the code will still work because I'm not sure how long they put it on for, but I do have a code for your first subscription box. What they give you in this box is 6 face sheet masks, and they're all different. I only have 2 left because I've been loving them and I've just been using them like one after another, but these are 2 of the ones I have left. This is like a coconut one, Power Baby Ultra Moisture Mask. So these are really both Ultra Moisture masks, but so if you have really dry skin, I really recommend these face sheet masks. They really do something for your skin, and it's strange because I was kind of hesitant with trying it just because I'm not familiar with any of the brands that make them. They were all really nice on my skin, and I do have pretty bad acne like all around here, and so it honestly helps it really well. So anyways, let me just get to the good stuff. If you want to get that discount, that 20% off discount, Hannah B20. Yeah, so those are things I've been loving lately, and yeah, this is just a short catch-up favorites video, but I am gonna be shooting out the videos because I'm motivated now and I'm ready and I'm not so confused with what I want to do. I am just gonna do. So I don't know. I hope that you guys are excited and you don't hate me. I love you guys so much, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. And I am working on getting an upload schedule, which means I will be able to say my next video on Friday or Thursday or Wednesday. I haven't decided the day yet, but I am trying to get on that weekly upload schedule. So you know what, I can do it because I believe in myself, and I need to not tell myself otherwise because that it's just destructive. Anyways, I love you guys, and if this is your first video of seeing me, I would love it if you were to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will get notifications whenever I upload. And yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Have an amazing day, or have an amazing night, or just have an amazing life, guys. I want the best for all of you. All of you are amazing, beautiful souls, and I want you to feel that in your heart because it's true. So bye guys.